Hello everyone. I got this Mitsubishi MQ Triton here. So what happened was this customer was trying to replace the clock screen for some reason. So I think he was going to upgrade the steering wheel. However, he has damaged the clock screen. So I thought maybe just make a quick video showing to people who does the jobs themselves how to install the clock screen properly, because this clock screen is a bad boy. It does everything, like all your steering controls, the airbag signal, cruise control, like all the data signals sent through a spiral, it's like a spiral cable, very thin and sensitive, which is wrapped around inside the clock screen. So if you install this incorrectly, you will end up with damage in the spiral cable inside. So a new clock screen comes up usually locked in center, but if someone replacing or reusing the clock screen that you don't know, someone turned it previously, so you need to follow the procedure which I'm going to show you shortly. So if you follow this procedure, you will not damage the clock screen. So definitely, to install or remove this clock screen, you need to remove the steering wheel assembly on any car. So I removed the steering wheel. So what I'm doing now, before installing the clock screen, so I'm going to turn the clock screen into one corner, and I'm turning the clock screen onto the other corner and see how many rounds it can turn. It was about 7 rounds, so dividing that 7 rounds to half, so it's about 3.5 rounds, and you get into the center. And now just make sure you're lining up that notches on the steering angle sensor, which is on the bottom, and press and lock the clock screen. On some cars, the clock screen stays, most of the cars, the clock screen stays on the steering angle sensor, and then you need to use some screws to bolt on. But on this MQ Triton here, it is just a clip-on fitting. So once you fit that, just plugging all the removed connectors. So one important step that I forgot to mention earlier, when you work on this SRS system, make sure you remove the battery wire. So the battery negative wire is the thing. So I'm just fitting the steering wheel covers. And then just feed the SRS supply wire and just fitted the steering wheel. So, and that's it pretty much. So it's next step is to tight the steering wheel center nut and fit the airbag assembly. So this is pretty easy procedure, guys, and if you follow the right procedure, just make sure before you fitting the clock screen into the car, check how many round it is, and then divide it to half and just refit the clock screen. From that, you will not damage the clock screen and you will be able to reuse it. Thank you for watching.